Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the spray is sealed and in date. This prevents inconsistent effects. Once confirmed, set a clean 20-30 degrees C workspace and place parchment beneath treated pieces. Measure precisely, 1/4 teaspoon per 100 grams of chocolate to ensure balanced alteration. Shake the bottle for 15 seconds to homogenize contents. This helps even dispersion. Spray from 15-20 cm away in short bursts, moving steadily so you coat without pooling. After spraying, let the chocolate rest on the paper for Once done with initial uptake, watch the chocolate for 2 to 5 minutes to see texture and sheen shifts. This tells you how active the spray is. If the change is weak, add 0.1 teaspoon increments, waiting 3 minutes between applications to avoid oversaturating. Make sure to tilt or gently fold the chocolate rather than stirring vigorously. That spreads the active components without introducing air or breaking temper. Keep a thermometer handy and note temperature changes. Small adjustments keep the process controlled and repeatable. Complete the process by cooling the treated chocolate at 16 to 18 degrees Celsius to stabilize the new properties. This prevents fat bloom and preserves texture. Once set, seal pieces airtight and label with date and exact dose so you can replicate or adjust later. If something goes wrong, excess shine, sticky spots, or uneven change, blot the surplus with parchment immediately and wait 10 minutes. Then apply a small corrective dose and restabilize. This controlled comeback prevents overcorrection and keeps results consistent for future batches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.